I can assure you that this is not a drill, people. In the video that we have for you today, we have a semi-red red code red alert. Although it has not been confirmed, it is showing those who are on XRP. In light of this, we are going to be discussing it. On the other hand, we can see that history is being made right here. It's me. Bitcoin is on the verge of hitting its highest point. It did just that, gentlemen. To make a profit on a monthly candle over its existence, right? Doesn't that make you think that this month is more bullish than any other month in the entire history of the bull market? These are some crazy things. That's a $20,000 pump that we acquired compared to the 12K, 13K, and 17K that you guys have, right? Guys, we are getting closer and closer to the end of the bull market because every time anything like this occurs, as you can see, the market continues to rise. Regardless of what follows next, folks, there is definitely still some time remaining, right up until the point where we see the very best of the very best, which is going to be a really explosive situation for our baggage. Despite the fact that we see XRP, why do you guys, tiny bit of Bitcoin dumping and other related nonsense. Okay, so the monthly just closed men right on Bitcoin, and I'm like, wait, what about XRP on the other hand? Consequently, I checked XRP, folks, 3 times just to make sure I wasn't missing anything. And I also checked on the 2 weekly when I saw it. I wanted to see it like that. Right, you guys have it. It has just been activated, but it has not yet been confirmed. It is going to be confirmed in the 90s if XRP continues to maintain these price ranges, right? If it pumps, it is going to be even more gorgeous. But it doesn't actually need to pump. It just needs to maintain around these levels, right? Within the next 9 days, it is going to be confirmed on the 2 weekly. The monthly is going to be the next one. Is that correct, guys? So the chart of XRP appears to be very, very bullish, right? Do you agree with me? In point of fact, not to add that this week, XRP reached a 3-year low in comparison to Ethereum, people, according to Signal, actually. Guys, have a look at this. You must be kidding me, right? Therefore, if you go to the XRP Ethereum chart, folks, you will notice that it is getting even wilder by the second from now on. This is the ratio of XRP to Ethereum, guys, and there are a lot of things going on here that people aren't paying attention to. So there are a lot of things happening here that people aren't paying attention to. At any time, the value of Ethereum increases in the event that Ethereum is performing better than XRP. XRP will drop right or is. This is the time when we see the red candles, guys, or any time XRP performs better than Ethereum. It is at that point that we notice the green candles. Guess what just took place, guys? It has never happened before in its whole history. What a crazy idea! At this very moment, XRP is breaking below support, which is a moment that is making history, right? The reason for this is because Ethereum has been exceeding it, guys, and has been holding stronger than XRP has right now. But this is where things start to become very exciting and lovely. There are a lot of people who think that XRP has just broken structure, so why is that occurring? And XRP has just dropped below the support range, guys. But you have to ask yourself why this is so amazing. The reason for this is that they simply sweep the lows right, and that is the most beautiful part, men. In most cases, when it comes to trading, what happens is that they sweep the highs and lows that you guys can see right here, right? These guys are able to see this high. You guys are able to see this high, but with this candle, they sweep the people right through the ceiling. At this same moment, and then they turned it around. Guess what, guys? They just sweep it here as well, in case you were wondering it. What exactly does it mean that they are going to change it? And this is the reason why I am stating that in the months to come, as it appears that XRP is in a really primed state. And if we flip it around, you guys will be able to watch how it sweeps the lows, right? Afterwards, they pumped it more. They are currently sweeping the highs right here, guys. It is something that I just flipped, and they are going to dump it right for XRP to grow against Ethereum. In order to outperform Ethereum in the next coming months, it seems like men. Consequently, I am highly bullish. Is that correct, guys? At this point, everything appears to be in good condition. And just so you know, if you guys enjoy the video that we have for you today, it would be very appreciated. I am grateful to you. When Bitcoin breaks and holds $250,000 for the first time, XRP will still be trading at 59 cents. This is an additional aspect that Mike has added to the mix, and it is worth considering. Quite simply, this is a fact. Jot it down right away. Guys, this is just terrible, isn't it? Okay, so this is the situation. This is a terrible wine with a sugary taste. Since he asserts that this is a reality in every sense of the word. Yes, it is not the guys. Speculation is the only thing he is doing right now. First things first, he is predicting that Bitcoin could even reach $250,000 in the near future. Second thing, he is naming a ripple. You people are aware of this, right? Even if we are still in the early stages, he claims that additional individuals will continue to trade at 59 cents, which is consistent with a stable coin, right? If I were a market maker, if I were an elite, if I were the folks who are in a note right insiders to pump it at this time or as soon as spring arrives, how do I know that this is the appropriate time? It is due to the fact that there is not a single comment that is literally positive about the XRP people, and there is not a single word that is directly about the fight. Isn't that really insane? Despite the fact that this is the reason why Bitcoin maxes are harmful, I wish I had kept my 1,700 Bitcoins at a price of 6 cents rather than selling them at 30 cents out there at $8. The reason why Bitcoin has reached $1 million is because of the where men. It is a 16x for XRP to hit that 16x, and a lot less cash is required. Do you folks see how Bitcoin is similar to fool's gold in comparison to XRP, right? Bitcoins are the reason why does not match, despite the fact that the value of a Bitcoin has been steadily increasing. It is a non-existent concept, men. On the other hand, if you compare the percentages, you will see that this is the only thing that matters, right? Whether you are in the cryptocurrency world or trying to make money, everything is dependent on numbers. That is not the price at all. Since Bitcoin is increasing, you will need a great deal more money to invest in order to generate more money. If, on the other hand, the price of XRP goes up, you won't need as much of it as you would for Bitcoin, people. Do you recognize what I'm trying to say now? Isn't it possible that things are going to move in a very parabolic direction? Just to be clear, this chart does not feature Bitcoin in particular, but it does include everything else, including XRP and every other asset. Guys, take a look at what just took place right here. Clearly, the beginning of the crypto